be back after 2 years of lapse. I know we all are excited to see our amazing young athletes perform today. Rain should not dampen your spirits. Over the next 2 days, our students are going to give their very best, and they're going to show all of us the true meaning of the resilient Fijian spirit. The Fijian spirit is renowned all over the world. The Fijian spirit means that we don't give up, and it means that first and foremost, we care for each other. Throughout the course of this competition, we must show good sportsmanship. This is who we are as a country. How many times have we seen our rugby and soccer players helping an opponent when they are injured? Humble in victory, gracious in defeat, as they say. COVID-19 threatened our Fijian spirit and put it through a test that we have seldom seen in our country. I'm sure all of us have seen what many countries around the world are going through, much worse than us, and we pray for them and hope they recover. It was only through the Fijian spirit that we managed to beat COVID-19. In times of need, every Fijian looked out for each other, and we helped each other. The result of our bravery and our strategy to beat COVID pandemic are why we can hold competitions like this again. Through the vision and leadership of our Prime Minister, our vaccination strategy enabled us to keep our people safe. And ultimately, we can now host events such as this, which we all know are integral to the growth of our young people. I thank all Fijians for assisting us with the vaccination campaign. Your efforts have made Fiji safer for all of us, and that's why we can sit next to one another and watch this game. I also thank parents and students for supporting the fight against COVID-19 and working closely with our schools and school leaders. A healthy body means a healthy mind. To our amazing young athletes, the next 2 days will be hard and challenging. You must remember the Fijian spirit that resides in each and every one of us and makes us a strong, united people. Sport has been the integral component of our education system and an essential platform for character development, and the ministry greatly values physical education. It is not just the students who have missed out, but parents, teachers, fans from around the world, and of course, the many excited faces I see in the crowd today. Ladies and gentlemen, I could feel the excitement among our students and supporters when we announced the resumption of the Coke Games earlier this year. Teachers, students, and supporters alike have enthusiastically anticipated the return of this competition, and finally, here we are. It would be amiss for me not to congratulate the team that represented us at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham this year and winning 4 medals. Laisani Modei Sawana, Yashnil Karan, Banuve Tambako Doro all began their journey as athletes by competing here where we have gathered today. They, along with many other athletes through the generations, are excellent icons that serve as inspirations to us all. I have no doubt that we will see some of you representing Fiji in the World Athletics arena. I thank the teachers and coaches for their hard work and guiding our students. Without your hard work and support, none of this would be possible. Likewise, A heartfelt Vinaka Vakalevu to our partners, Fiji Secondary Schools Athletics Association and Coca-Cola Fiji, for your unwavering commitment to sport and tireless efforts to make COG Games happen again this year. I would also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the heroes who worked behind the scenes to make this event a success. The non-teaching staff, security guards, cleaners, and St. John's Association. Thanks to your hard work, we can give undivided attention to the event. Also take this opportunity to thank Fiji Police Force for making this place safe and secure, and Fiji Sports Council for the excellent facilities. It is my humble request to all athletes, students and supporters to please maintain discipline at all times for your safety and the safety of your fellow Fijians. I would personally like to see some new records set, and it is my great pleasure to open the 2022 Fiji Secondary School Athletics Championship, the Coca-Cola Games. Good luck and all the best, and may the best team win. Vinaka.